Hi students, good morning. In the last class, we were discussing about plastics. That is, by structural difference, plastics are of two types, which are the linear and cross-linked. And next one, the difference in their properties, like thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Polythene, PVC, etc. are thermoplastics. Yes. Then bakelite and melamine are thermosetting plastics. Then today we are going to discuss about plastics as materials of choice. As we know, today if we think of storing a food item or water or milk, pickles, then dry food items. In all these cases, we are always preferring plastic containers. Am I right? Yes. And I think this seems most convenient. Then why? We always prefer plastic containers to store this type of items. Can you say what may be the reason? Yeah, what's the reason? Because of its lightweight, then lower price, yes, then good strength and easy handling. So because of lightweight, lower price, good strength and easy handling. So because of these properties, plastics are used to store this type of food items. And as we know, metals are much heavier than that of plastics. And here, that may be the reason for using plastics in cars, aircrafts and spacecraft, etc. So in counting the articles made of plastics are, I think it is endless in number. Okay? Yes. So because of these properties, we are always prefer plastic items. Then let us discuss what are the characteristic properties of plastics. Characteristics properties of plastics. First one is plastic is non-reactive. Plastic is non-reactive. As we know, metals like iron, when kept exposed in air, what will happen? It will rust, no doubt. Then what about an aluminium? It will not rust as like iron. Or any copper vessels? Yes, it become corrode. But what happens when we get exposed a plastic bucket or plastic mug in air? This will corrode? No. So, plastics do not react with water and air. That is, they do not corrode easily. That is why they are used to store various kinds of materials, including many chemicals, because of their non-reactive nature. Because of its non-reactive nature. So plastics are non-reactive in nature. Then second one, plastic is light. Second property, plastic is light, then strong and durable. Strong and durable. See, as we know, in olden days, we are using which type of buckets? Iron buckets to take water from well or any other uses. You have just asked to your parents or grandparents what type of buckets they are used in their ages. So, but now we are replacing that type of buckets, that is buckets made of metals, by plastics. Then why or what are the advantages of using plastic containers? Plastic containers. As we know, plastic is very light. In the beginning of the class itself, we told that plastic is lightweight. So it is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. And is used for various purposes. And one more thing, plastics are cheaper than that of metals. So plastic is light, strong, then durable, and can be molded into different sizes and shapes, and it is cheaper. So they are widely used in industry for household articles. Household articles. So second property or of plastics is light, strong, and durable. First one, non-reactive. Then third one, plastic is poor conductor. Poor conductor. So plastics are poor conductors. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity. That is why electrical wires have plastic covering. Did you see? Insertion covers made of plastics. Why? They are poor conductors of electricity. So will not get shock while touching the wire. And similarly, the handles of various cookwares. Okay, various cookwares like frying pan or what, pressure cooker, everywhere. Why? Because plastic is the poor conductor of heat. Poor conductor of heat. And what about the handle of screwdriver? It is also made of plastic. Why? Poor conductor of electricity. So, plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Poor conductors of heat and electricity. So, because of this property, plastics have many uses in electrical or heating appliances. Okay? Yes. Then, plastics are widely used in healthcare industry also. As we know, that is the package of tablets, then threads used for stitching wounds, syringes, doctor's gloves, and many other medical instruments. And what may be the reason? Because of this less reactivity or non-reactivity. Not less, but it is non-reactive in nature. So we are always using plastics there in medical industry also. Then special plastic cookware is used in microwave oven. Did you see? While preparing cake or any other pudding, we are always making batter and that is transferred to a container. It is made up of plastic, a special type of plastic. And by introducing that bottle or that vessel into the oven, what will happen? The food item only will cook. Then whatever plastic, will it melt? No. It will not melt. In microwave oven, the heat cooks the food and does not affect the plastic vessel. Did you see the frying pan like non-stick frying pan? Yes. And see the non-stick frying pan, what is specialty? Specialty, that is oil and water do not stick. Okay. So why? It is because of a coating of a special type of plastic known as Teflon. Teflon is a plastic and which is used for making the coating of this type of non-stick cookware. And see, some fireproof plastics also the fireproof plastics. As we know, I think during the last class we have discussed about that is while working in the kitchen in the laboratory we do not wear synthetic fibers because they melt and become fattened. So, but some other plastics, they are of fireproof. Fireproof plastics are there. See, did you see the uniform of fireman? It is a type of melamine plastic. What's that? Melamine plastics. I think it is familiar to you. Melamine, the thermosetting plastic. Melamine plastic. And this melamine plastic is a fire resistant or flame resistant. Okay, students? So, what are the properties of plastics? They are non-reactive, they are light, strong and durable, then are the poor conductors of heat and electricity. So because of these three chemical properties of plastics, they are used in variety of things. Okay, I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you.